Good afternoon, class. As in the last class, we have started with chapter 10, that is adjective in English language. Now, and we have already done the explanation of all the types of adjective and done 3 exercises. Now, today we are going to continue with the exercises of chapter 10 adjective only. Today we are going to do D exercise first of all, that is tick the correct option of adjective of quantity or adjective of number. First one, Avantika goes to her dance class little 5 days a week. First, put the tick on 5. Second one, I have invited few people to my family function. Third one, how many rings does she wear? Fourth one, how much time do you spend doing your exercise? Fifth one, there are many schools in cities. Sixth one, Lata Mangeshkar sang many songs throughout her life. Seventh one, there are few cars on the road at weekends. Eighth one, not many choices are left. Ninth one, submit all the assignment on my desk. Tenth one, if you do little homework today, you will have very less to do tomorrow. Now, let's move to exercise E, that is make 2 sentences using each of the following demonstrative adjective. First one is this. This time I won't fail you. Second, I cannot give you money at this moment. That I can't forget that incident. Give me that blue water bottle. As these are two different sentences, to write these 2 different sentences in next line. That means you have to write at first sentence if you will complete over here. Second, you have to write in the second line. Third one, those people were mean to her. B sentence of this is I want those gorgeous marbles. Fourth, these mangoes are rotting. We brought these candles for our wedding anniversary. F. As we have done the E exercise, now let us move to F1. F1 is tick the correct options from the brackets. First one, this college campus is vast. Second one, I have read those books. Third one, my books are lying on that table. Fourth one, who brought these crackers? Fifth one, Vineet wants that pen. Sixth one, does this flower smell weird? Seventh one, this print look good on the paper. Eighth one, many states of this country are prosperous. Now turn the page and come to page number 66. That is the G exercise. In G exercise, again you have to form the sentences. Make 2 sentences using each of the following interrogative adjective. First one, what a beautiful mountain this is. After that, exclamation mark. Second sentence is, what's your answer? Second word, whose pen will they bring to you? Second sentence, whose pants are these? Third sentence, which book will they give you? Second one, which do you prefer, white or red? After doing this D1, let's move to H1. That is, underline the possessive adjective and write in the space provided. First one, this is my pen. So, possessive adjective for this is my. Second one, his car is outside. So, second sentence is his. Underline the word his in the second sentence. Third one, are your gloves warm? Underline your. Fourth one, his house is near the school. Underline his. Fifth one, these are their books. Underline their. Sixth one, that is our college. Underline our. Seventh one, those are my keys. Underline my. Eighth one, his office is near the house. Underline his. Ninth one, those are their pets. Underline their. And the last one is your seat comfortable? Underline your. As we have completed the H exercise. Now let us move to I1. That is the last exercise of this chapter. Choose the right possessive adjective. First one, I have a cat. Dash, its her name is Santi. It's. Second one, Ria respects her grandfather. Third one, two sisters have not completed their assignments. Fourth one, Vibhuti is from Kanpur. His wife is from Lucknow. Fifth one, I have a new dress. Its color is green. Now, as we have completed the exercises of this chapter 10, you have to do all these exercises in your notebooks. In homework, you have to learn the definitions of chapter adjective. Thank you.